It is 2:29. It is day 7 working on this half bath. The reason we are getting started so late is simply because I had to help my daughter fix her washing machine. We installed a new clutch into that and just, life stuff. Probably not gonna get a whole lot done. I'm gonna put the register vent on. We're gonna clean up some grout lines. I'm gonna finish caulking the back of the sink. And we're probably gonna lay maybe two courses of tile in here just simply because there's just not enough room to keep going. It's too big of a stretch to make it all the way, the rest of the way, so we'll have to do this in 2 days. But I think that's about all we're gonna get done today. But either way, here we go. It's gonna count towards the completion time and how long it takes to get this thing done. So here we go.
One. Hey, I need to see that. 21 7/8, 4 1/8. And an 8. 7 5. I have no idea. About 8. About 8. 16. Half? About 16 and a half.
What'd you find there?
Lid, Tupperware, Farberware, I don't know, something. I think I got a whittle. Hang on, I gotta get my pencil so I can figure out where I need to whittle.
Missed it by that much, huh?
We hope. That sits a little bit high right there, but it doesn't rock. You just have to make sure you give me lots of mud.